Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a bold and festive Navratri makeup look that's all about dramatic eyes, shimmer, and a touch of tradition. If you're looking for a perfect statement look this Navratri, keep watching till the end. I'm starting with a black gel liner, applying it along my upper lash line and lower lash line, but leaving the inner corners. This creates a strong base for a bold eye look. On top of that, I'm packing black eyeshadow to intensify and lock it in place. Black eyeshadow is always that one product that gives you instant drama, perfect for a bold, festive eyes. Next, I'm using this gorgeous blue shimmer shade from Inside Cosmetic palette. I'm applying it right above the black liner on the upper lash line, smudging it slightly and then blending the leftover shimmer across the eyelids. This gives a unique gradient pop of color. This blue shimmer literally screams festive. It's bold but still has that playful sparkle for Navratri night. I love how this shade shifts under the lights. To balance it out, I'm blending a soft brown shade on my upper crease area. This adds depth and smooth the transition between shades. Brown in the crease, just tie everything together. It makes the look more wearable and less blocky. It softens everything so your eyes look glam but not harsh. Now I'm using the pixie dust from SimplyNam. I'm applying it to the inner corner and the middle part of the eyelid for that extra festive sparkle. This instantly lifts the whole eye look together. Pixie dust is like instant glam in a pot. It transfers a regular look into a showstopper. Now I have applied the pixie dust shimmer on the tear duct area for that festive sparkle and eye-opening effect. That tear duct highlight, it's my secret trick to make the eye look bigger and more awake. Little pop of shimmer on the lower lash line makes your eye look so much more defined on camera and in person. These tiny details might look simple, but it actually balances the whole upper lid work with it. To complete bold vibes, I'm adding K-Beauty kajal in the waterline. For the lips, I have chosen SimplyNam's lipstick in the shade Hanna, a perfect balance with a bold eyes. I don't want to go too bold with the lips since the eye are already the star, so this shade keeps everything classy. This lipstick is so comfortable you can actually enjoy dancing and smiling without worrying about the touch up. To give this look a festive Navratri twist, I created intricate bindi design on the chin, outside the eye, and on the forehead. These small yet striking details bring in a traditional vibes, perfectly complementing the bold eye makeup and making the whole look more vibrant and celebration ready. The bindi design is what really connects the look back to our festive roots. It adds that cultural charm. I love experimenting with bindis because they are like jewelry for the face, small but super impactful. finishing with a coat of Renee Cosmetics mascara for full, voluminous lashes. And that's the final Navratri glam look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Asha's Makeup Spectrum for more festive looks. Happy Navratri!